Hello, we are going to try out the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway Adventure Kit on the DisneyNow app. You can choose between 3 different characters, Mickey, Minnie, or Goofy.
Oh boy!
And then pick 3 different locations, Run Amok Park, Big City Snarl, or Carnival Chaos. Now, this is an augmented reality app, but you don't have to have the augmented part of the phone if that's not available. So my phone is able to do it. You're going to want to clear areas out. You want as much clear area as you can. And you're going to want to not do it on surfaces like glass or something that's solid one color because it can freak the phone out. But we've got plenty of clear spot here on the carpet. Perfect. Adjust your scale, get it to what works. And then you can literally get right down on Mickey and check him out and see his little world. And you can add in little things like, let's add a park bench. We want to put this park bench right over here. And then there's other things that are locked, and you'll be able to get some more of those when you play the actual game. You need to change settings, the way Mickey drives. Look how cute that is. Then, along with adding some of those props, you can play actual games too. Press and hold the race button, place it down, and it's going to take you out of the augmented reality section for this, but you're going to be able to actually race and do little objectives. There we go. So you get some points, stuff like that. You can go back into your little world, and then you can purchase other things that you might want to add on. So we have 350, we'll go ahead and get the biggest one. And Mickey, a nice big loop-de-loop to drive. Oh, that is huge. Okay. Find a clear spot for it, there we go. The great part about the augmented reality too is that you can actually make sure Mickey's lined up by just lining up behind Mickey. And we fell off. If Mickey ever gets stuck like this, easy, just hit your recenter button at the top left. Bam, he's going to be replaced. He actually placed him right on there. We're just going to drive off. And there's other different worlds. So, let's change to Minnie in Big City Snarl. Same thing, you got to set up your little room area. Then you'll be able to put your city down. Really big, so let's adjust that scale. There's Minnie. All themed to the new little world we're in. Cute little fire hydrant. Some cones. And again, if you play the game, you can unlock other pieces just like that. Last but certainly not least, the reason you kind of go on this chaotic adventure. Goofy, in the middle of Carnival Chaos. Sounds about right for him. Move around, let your phone figure out where the location is, and once it's ready, place your world. Hey, Goofy. Ah, Goofy can just break stuff. Sounds about right. Well, again, sounds about right for Goofy to get an accident like that. He's just chilling. And that's a quick look at the free augmented reality Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway experience on the DisneyNow app. Try it out for yourself and enjoy.